Hi guys, it's Allie, and for today I have a short PINCHme video. PINCHme is a company to where they send you for free products in exchange for your honest review, if that's called for. You take surveys, you earn coins to get free shipping, and sometimes when they ask you for surveys, they actually haven't sent the products. Now, a lot of the time, as soon as you tell them I can't review it, I don't have your stuff, you'll get your stuff in a couple of days. So I think that's what it is. So there we go. Here we go. Earn coins and redeem for some amazing prizes. I would put products because you're not really anything. Okay, so we've got 3 things. The first thing is Car's sweet and salty mix. Let me do this a little. There we go. So we can actually see the stuff. So this is what it is. It's a trail mix, 270 calories per pack. Here's the information. And this is a nice serving. Now, this white chocolate Kit Kat bar, this isn't really fun-sized. It's more like teeny tiny party size, I guess. But hey, it's enough to try. Crisp wafers and cream. I like the regular version. I've never had this, so I'll look forward to that. And last but not least, a single Lotus Biscoff cookie. So there you go. So I think I'll try the Kit Kat. Why not? It's not really enough to share. So here you go. Upside down, it's me, Kit Kat. I definitely like the regular one better. There's not much flavor to it. And to be honest, it kind of tastes a little stale, but it's edible. Now let's try this Biscoff. Lotus brand. There you go. It tastes most like a graham cracker. It's not bad. Not quite a graham cracker, maybe a slightly burnt graham cracker, but actually it's pretty good. Let's try the trail mix. Should have bought scissors, but didn't expect to do this, but what the heck. Okay, so I'll give you a look into the trail mix. Typical trail mix, you've got some peanuts. Excuse me, I'll zoom you in. There's, some raisins, some sunflower seeds, some M&Ms. It tastes fine. Just kind of traditional, non-healthy trail mix. Okay. That's not bad. So there we have it. As I talk with my mouth full, my apologies. That's what I got from PINCHme. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the flip side.